everybody, it has been a while, but I am here to bring you guys my Walmart beauty box. I absolutely love getting these. Like, for a while there, I was super disappointed. Last week, or last month, or last semester, last season, it was alright, but it is winter and it is dry, so I'm hoping there's some lotions in here or something that I can use for the next couple months. So if you guys are not sure what this is the Walmart beauty box. This is the winter of 2024 box. What you guys can do is just Google Walmart beauty box. You answer some questions. It's about $6 or $7 for the box, but some of the stuff you get is full-size items and some of the stuff you get are travel size items, which sometimes it's a hit or miss, but I have gotten some really good stuff over the last couple of months. So let's just dig in and see what we get. So they always give you like a little card, and then it shows you everything in here. Now this is different. Usually they have like a whole list of stuff. There's only like 5 items in here, so I wonder if it's the special box is just for me or not, but okay, so this is a pretty big item. The first thing I see is a curl defining shampoo and conditioner. These are pretty big bottles. These are pretty big bottles. It is Curl Power. It's curl defining shampoo and conditioner. It's for all types of curls. Sorry, I'm trying to grab my phone out of my pants. But it says coconut and grapeseed oil protect and shape, and the brand is called Bean. I'm gonna check the Walmart app and see if these are like in the travel section, but these are like really big. So let me just scan this right here. So this one says it's out of stock. I don't know how that's possible. Won't focus. Out of stock. Okay. But oh, if I can smell what I'm smelling, that smells really good. If this is what I'm smelling, it smells really good. So these right here are perfect for traveling. They are 3.04 ounces. So it does say the full size is $6.97, and these are 3 ounces instead of 12. So pretty good. I really like this right there, because those like usually like travel size items are like $3, $4, $5 now. So yes. Ooh, and here is something that I actually really need. This is a sun touchable. It's invisible sunscreen. It's 35 broad, so it's 35 SPF. It's a sun protection and a blurring primer. It's water resistance up to 80 minutes. This looks like it's a full size item. It doesn't expire until August, so let's see how much this one costs. This right here is $14. $14 from Elf, and it does say it right here, $14. So here we got a whole full size product that's $14 right here, and this is something that I do need because I work outside and the sun just gets to me. So this is perfect, and it's a primer. Everyday use. This completely clear, it's a sunscreen that helps protect skin. A velvety smooth finish that blurs and perfections grips makeup for long lasting wear. So it's a primer and it's a sunscreen. So right there, look at that. Here is a tiny little bottle of Physicians Formula Butter Glow serum. So it says the full size is $14.98. So this is just a serum, and it's a bronze serum. I would have to try that out. I mean, they're getting ready for winter, like, but yeah, it's a cute little butter. Oh, this looks like it leaked in here. Well, that's nice. It did leak a little bit in here, but we'll try that out. This is a cute little travel size thing. It's just a little baby. It's just a little baby. And then here we have a Bubble is the brand, and it looks like this is a full size item. This one says it, okay, it's not. This is a travel size, but it says it's a Bubble Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturizer. The full size of it is $14.98. So this looks like, oh, I thought it was a lip balm. But it is a pump 1 to 2 pumps to clean, dry skin, use morning, night, and just kind of hydrate your skin. Well, that's kind of cool. It's a little moisturizer. This is perfect for traveling. This is perfect for traveling. This one has a UPC code on it too. Let's see if Walmart sells this. Nope, they don't sell this. But this is perfect for traveling. Like, I use moisturizer all the time, and this is perfect for if I need to travel. So that was everything that I got. Like I said, usually they have a whole bunch of stuff, so I don't know if this is just per the box of what I got. But I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. So I paid $7 for this box. I get a full-size item right here is 14 bucks. So I got this already like 50% off, give or take. 50% off. And then I got a really good size of shampoo and conditioner. I feel like this is a couple days worth, like maybe 2 weeks, depending on how much I use. But yes, I'm definitely going to try that. And then we have a moisturizer and then a little baby thing of serum. So I'm really happy with this box, considering this is something that I actually really wanted to get. I really needed to get sunscreen for my face. But this is the Walmart Beauty Box for winter of 2024. Again, if you guys enjoy something like this, make sure you Google it and subscribe. But I love sharing with you guys on things like that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.